Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to unlock Cash App Green status. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Look at the bottom menu on the home page. Tap on the banking section. Here, look for the Cash App Green button under the Add Money section. It may say something like Earn Cash App Green or $500 away to earn Cash App Green. Tap on this button. A new window will open. It will show you all the benefits of Cash App Green. You can see what you will get when you unlock this status. Tap on the button that says Earn Cash App Green. You can unlock Cash App Green status each month by meeting one of two requirements. The first option is spending $500 or more with your Cash App card or Cash App Pay. This includes purchases at stores, online, or anywhere Cash App Pay is accepted. The second option is receiving $300 or more in qualifying paycheck direct deposits. These are usually direct payroll deposits or other approved deposits into your Cash App balance. Once you deposit money or make purchases, a status bar will appear. The bar shows how much you have deposited or spent and how much is left to reach the requirement. You can check this bar anytime in the Cash App to see your progress. After you complete either requirement, Cash App will automatically unlock green status for your account. You will then enjoy benefits like higher borrow limits, weekly cashback offers, and other rewards. You can continue to earn Cash App Green each month by repeating these steps. Thanks for watching.